welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video we are shopping at TJ Maxx, and I really wanted to go in here just to browse because the two older boys were in school. So it was Jason, myself, and Jack, and that's obviously easier with one kid than three. We decided to go in here and look, and I was pleasantly surprised that they had all of their fall and Halloween stuff out. Even some Thanksgiving decor was out, and so I just decided to record everything that I could find that had to do with those holidays. If you are wanting to know what they have right now, then keep on watching and I'll pop in shortly.
I should just let you do the commentary on this.
Oh, what we got here is some candy, some jelly pumpkin. Ooh, these are good. Sit down, Jack.
Yeah, gummy bear.
Shit.
Gummy bear.
I think that's what my commentary would probably sound like. If I have Jack with me, he would probably be in the background. If y'all like watching shop with me's with talking or commentary like actually done in the store, then leave me a comment down below, and I think I'm going to try that out next time. Our store is a TJ Maxx and a Homegoods combined. So we have everything in this one store. Well, when we were traveling to Memphis this summer, we shopped at a TJ Maxx store and then a Homegoods store that was separate. So it's been a while since I went into just one or the other. So let me know down in the comments below how your stores are where you live. Do you have the two stores combined or separate? I was just wondering, when do you guys start decorating for fall? Let me know down in the comments below, and then take a look at all of these fall pillows. They had so many. I want to know how many stores out there has this giant pumpkin carriage in the middle of their stores. So also let me know if you have seen this one yet because it is huge. I'm guessing it's there for purchase, but I could not find a price tag on it. So I'm really curious to see how much this thing costs. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification button too. That way you will know when I have new videos out and be notified. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!